Okay, here we are in the template wizard. To build your website, you have a variety of options found right here. The first will be to select a layout. As you can see, we have 16 different layout options, each with different menu layouts, where the banners and the content management systems reside. Let's start with the first one. Now you want to choose a background color, which will be over here. Let's choose blue. Apply. And your display options is the next step. These are defined as your product display, which is the way that the products will appear on your website. As you can see, you have various options here, 12 different ones. Each time you click the mouse, they change. Let's go with a standard option, number 11. And now we want to customize that. First, we want to customize the header. Choose a color that complements the background. And now we want to choose the background color for the text. And you can even change the font, Arial, Tahoma, Georgia. Let's choose Arial, and then we can make it bold. And now we want to deal with the grid. The grid is this area right here. Background color, and let's do a darker color for the text. And that font doesn't look great with the font that we used up here, so we can even change that. Change it to Arial and bold. That looks much better. Now we want to deal with the menu types. The vertical menus here. You have several options. Choose 3. And the background color, let's do the background color. Lighter shade of blue. No, that doesn't look great. Let's do a clean background color, and the color of the text. Okay. You can change the fonts and everything, but this looks pretty good the way it is. As you'll notice, everything changes on the fly as you make these changes. Quick links, that will be the top. You can choose a menu style like this. Let's go with that one. Color, let's do a blue to keep things uniform, and we probably want to change that font. So let's make that bold. Now, here's where things get interesting. The buttons. You can change all of the buttons so that they're exactly the same. This will go throughout the site. Or you can go individually. Apply now, learn more, other. Frequently asked questions, compare, bookmark, read or write reviews, calculator, terms, contact us. Let's make all the buttons the same. all buttons, and you'll see we have several button styles. Let's go with this one. And do we want blue buttons, or do we want to change the color to green? Change the font. Let's try it on. Yeah. Terms and conditions. You have two options here. You can use the accordion feature or the new window. Every time, the accordion feature will basically expand and give visitors more detailed information about the rates. If you click your terms, see, we're going to want to manipulate that, but let me just show you the new window. The rates will show up in a new window if you select that option. Let's customize it a little bit so it looks a little bit better. And we'll choose the new window option. So take a look at that. Okay, color scheme looks pretty good. What we want to change are the fonts. We probably don't want these to be italicized. So go to the fonts, and see our changes. Looks much better. Now when we're finished with this, what we're going to want to do is save it. So we will save it, test. At that point, the template is saved in your database and you can swap it out whenever you like. To swap out a template, you simply go to the website area and display option, select template, and here you may select which template you want to show up on your live website. If we click select all template, base will be changed out with test. You can go back and forth, and no matter what you opt to do, if you hit select template, it will change on the fly. You also have the option of editing this template using CSS if you know how to use CSS, previewing the template, going back to the wizard and making changes, or deleting it entirely. You can make as many templates as you like. You can interchange them as often as you like. And again, as with anything else, there is no charge for this. And you can see that you can build a professional looking website in just a few clicks of the mouse.